Turn up twins, pick up yourself. You don't know full thing of the global thing, I don't like the whole world.
Yeah, me I say now this is Craig.
Yo, you don't know this is Kevin.
And together we're Vice, man. I always say turn up twins. Thing, turn up
Turn up things, you see.
You know it's higher where the girls them trying. I mean I represent for turn up twins. Turn up things, you know there's something to turn up now.
Up to the era, turn up things are not like fever. Yo, touch her make she ooh, touch her make she ah.
Okay, so we're sitting here again with another Alliance Next Generation artist, Iyara, one of the front runners, in addition to Kaleido. Now, before we will go any further, the profile of me I see right now, all me I see are A. Just turn to the side and and show them the A.
We not playing.
Alright, see?
Madam mean. We're Madam play.
Alright, that's going on there. Alright.
You got my general bounty killer straight.
I hear that. Big up bounty. You're a bounty killer. I wanna the main artists from back in the day who did that turn it up and still I go strong years after.
Yeah.
So how is it being a part of the camp?
It's a good feeling, you know. Overwhelmed, because from nothing to something to more something.
Okay.
You see me? Right now the thing happen.
So how long have you been with the camp?
Basically, I joined the camp like when meet Bounty Killer, I think about November 2008.
Okay.
So basically from 2009, we start going on the street, and so from 2009 till now.
So how would you categorize your style of music?
Well, hardcore dancehall, but versatile, so we had versatility to the thing and bring it across, you know.
So I know that out of all the A&G artists right now, you have gotten a lot of recognition and a lot of nominations, and you've also gotten some awards. Can you tell us a little about that?
Yeah, we got a couple of awards. The MIA award, yeah, the CMIA UK award.
Okay.
And there's an next award that I was nominated for in South Florida. Yeah.
Okay,
so
so
it's
you
a
think
good
turn
look.
up man, it is all over the place. So when
Rurka put in, man, you don't know from Rurka put in, the fans them are going to look in and turn up to it.
Oh yeah.
It's just a rhyme, man, just a rhyme.
Alright, so here we're going to put them on the spot now. Why you spit something?
You know, we
You have
spit
to
something.
And you have to incorporate turn up to it.
Yeah.
Turn up to it.
Yes, you have to, we're going to put them on the spot.
Say why you get the nominee.
Alright. You know my style there? Is a rhythm this a playing on my left ears, no?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, cross
Both
twist.
are
For me the girl them easy forget and them a make it look hard. Forget girl me not fi shuffle no card. Enough boy nah bring no girl at them yard, cause them slow like a Vicks. If they go rock no girl, never ever give them a massage. And all of that because them slow. Turn up twin, say them slow, hey turn up twin. Although me have enough, me want more girl. Iyara never out a 20 sure girl. So when me beat up the NSC and blaze the herb, me just go for 1-4 girl. Real girl is no ignore girl. Iyara no count when him score girl. A regular me put on my white and fling on piece of gold and take with Jack your girl. Yeah, real girl is.
Come again. So we're going to get a board in there so we can feed the board in there.
Management to put we out.
Yeah.
So tell me about Bunta here.
Oh, the month of the year. I see that song now. Cause a lot of things in the street with me and the ladies them now. Cause
Good.
a real thing, you know.
Good.
Real something. But me have to spit couple light
Yes.
on the TV. Cause you know the things, the way I have to make the ladies them know the something.
Yes.
You hear that? Listen me now, ladies.
Alright.
You see the month of the year tell me about every woman who no like what and we some we do man. No say a woman is a comfort to man. Listen me now, not turn up twins. You see Johnny worry girls them not talk to not laughy. Miserable but them want to be happy. Them girls they love man we pocket well stashy. No one none we mean like star apple or aki. February girls them funny. When them want come link you for money. Your name change from Bigfoot, Big Dog and Dummy to Babes, Darling, Sweetie, Honey. March, y'all go far for them man do all. leave the house and go run bar for them, man. Nah, tell no lie on no month. April girls, them ugly but ever up front. You can't.
No, you forgot. You have to reach June. You have to keep on. You forgot all the way. You forgot all the way. Go all the way.
Come on, we want to hear about the rest of the month.
Yes, at least up to September.
June and July, them girls, they don't lie. Ready to give you bun in your eye. You see, if you go ask them why, them swear to the father, say no, them not do it and I cry. Cause girl, them lazy. When me say lazy, me mean them lazy. Cause them no love cook and them no love clean and love mess up place like them a like a baby. September girls, them come and is a reason. I choose September had the storm season. So them a look out for Gilbert, look out for Ivan and the new storm when name Stephen. October girls, them jealous if a girl say I to them and them whole body start swell up. My catty born October. And when me go in her room, she no mind the door well up. November no know one name honest. Them girl they will kill you with promise and try broke you like with the iceberg do Titanic. December. I can leave it there, son. That's it, December.
We'll come again. That turn up.
This is for the ladies.
For the ladies, I mean,
That did fine, though,
That did turn up. So when see this is a problem, you know, cause me try to figure out when I come New York. That's what everybody I ask.
Yeah,
When I
because
come to New York.
I think we're not supposed to interview the ANG manager, though.
That's the right answer.
That's the right
answer.
Yeah, God.
Let's
As
put
me
in
tell
the
you
work.
still, me never go in a state before, you know. We've been to England.
Oh really?
Yeah, I go to Canada twice. You don't know, we go some other little place, I never go state. So let me tell the state this. You see, anytime Iyara drop in the state, the fire. Alright.
The thing turn up, that's it. And we're gonna do it. See it. Exclusive.
Set record. Find them here.
No, you see, you mess it up, because that was the next question. But that's ask you though. Where your signature
Yeah, that's my
jingle? I said,
signature.
alright, do it again if we
Signature.
hear it.
Yeah.
That's the one. That's the one we know.
Alright, Julie, don't mess up the vibe so much.
So tell us, what is the best experience that you've had so far from being a part of the camp?
Well,
Besides the 4 girl, that one night, and you know, and all of that.
best experience, you know. Because the camp, it teach me. Like, life driven on a whole. It teach me how to go towards things, you see me? Live it on a whole. Because if you notice, Bounty Killer face a lot of things. You see me? And the road, them experience there, we as the young one were there around, we live off of it, you see me? Friends sell out friend, switch on people, bad mind, all type of something. We sing them in a song telling about we live it too. Yeah, so that's the experience.
And learn.
Mm-hmm.
And experience. So, what is your next step now? What is your next big move?
Well, the next big move, you know.
Besides coming to the States.
Exactly.
Besides coming to the state, there's a whole lot of big move, but the main move right now, because when you talk to the ANG manager and he might make me know say the ANG artist is gonna be fully signed and everything. So before me even think more and more song for 2013, we just know
You need the signature.
ANG has fully signed.
Really? My thing is I'm about just flying on the studio.
So that's
Yes,
that's what
that's the main thing.
All right.
I can respect that. I can
you don't know
respect that. It's
otherwise
business,
from
it's
that.
business. You
I'm
enjoy
curious or
what
something,
you
man. Full joy.
All right, before we go, you have to please redeem yourself. I just stop doing it.
Alright, me not do it again.
Let me hear your
Me not do it
signature,
again.
because she just mess it up. Every time you hear it, you I just think about she. We need to
Alright,
get
get
that
a
out of the head.
Get the last. Yes,
Give me
get
a-
the
Alright, let's leave it there, please. Alright.
Quick question though. This is what we want to ask about. I know that you first got your big recognition at Sting.
Yeah.
Oh,
So tell us about that.
Yes, gossip.
Before you go, yeah, can you know, me I always find the
Always
gossip
I find the
somewhere.
gossip.
Yeah, because, well, Sting 2011, I never nothing much, you know, we just go over the clash and win because the artists of them put up, you don't know Alliance caliber artists them in a Bounty Killer make queen. So you know the thing.
So
Let's go do the job.
Let me ask you a question. How does this clash thing work? Because a lot of us over there don't really understand how two artists end up clashing as thing.
Yeah, because
Some want to talk was ahead of time, or some will just
yeah, because you know we have our own entity, the Alliance ANG, you see me? So most time when them hungry and them say, yo, how me for eating at the business? I'm say, alright, you know, this Bounty Killer or this Iyara or this a man.
Laffer, I want to say my fire. Pull it. Ain't no what kind of full suit and white that cricket in my play. Some roll, they have got a dead out. Anything we push it out, they want to talk them and know that you make sure don't come in. Don't touch. Don't be a shit. Get gunshot. Alright, put me number one. Hey, come back with me one so smart. Level up. Spanish Town. Mizuno. Or the blood clot him on. Laffer. Laffer. Top shot. I'm dead in there tonight. I hope you hear me. That's why I'm going to fuck another little baby. I'm coming in front of them. I'm the boss off him on them.
So yeah, take the one.
Me not easy for pass. Me not easy for pass, but they add up.
Alright.
Yeah. So we always have to do the thing, you see me?
Alright, so before you go, you have to say, turn up twins, the thing turn up.
Oh, yeah,
or
sir.
put your spin on it, you know.
mix in the signature one more time because we can't still hear her.
Yeah, man. You don't know the thing, turn up twins, no?
Alright.
Turn up twins. Thing turn up. Big up Angie. For life, I'm married to Angie like my wife, you see me? I Sonny get that here went straight. Large of yourself, big up my general Bounty Killer, the whole of my Angie brother them. Turn up twins, me nah lie. One of the things, set record, I wanna never do Olympics.
Alright, Iyara.
Yeah.
You know, see them artists they not reach nowhere.
Yeah man, them artists they on balloon man.
They a come on the corner and sing. You don't see them now go nowhere.
Me don't tell you say him just a corner DJ. You
Oh,
nah
I see.
hear him on your radio.
God alone can judge me. Angie. Payday me nah go low. That means certain things me nah go do. That's why me a go and rough it out. Me a tough it out. All when pagans a chat with them dirty mouth. Me a live a maca tree life. No boy no climb me. I rather wear the one shoes ya till me to a boss it out. Me a go and rough it out. Tough it out. Avoid the bad breeze cause my candle no fi out. So man a go and fight the struggle. Keep myself out of trouble. All violence them thing them me cut it out. If it no rough it nah go right. Or when the glory come it nah go nice. Just look at David Brooks and Rodney Price. We fight the fight and now them nice. All the family and fans can rejoice. That's why me nah go make them out me light. Because the future is so bright. Me know me think the range, me think no stop a scooter bike. So me put out all my energy, me sing with all my might. Believing on myself, me have to boast. So me a go and rough it out. Me a tough it out. All when pagans a chat with them dirty mouth. Me a live a maca tree life. No boy no climb me. I rather wear the one shoes ya till me to a boss it out. Me a go and rough it out. Tough it out. Avoid the bad breeze cause my candle no fi out. So man a go and fight the struggle. Keep myself out of trouble. All violence them thing them me cut it out. The rough life who feels it. And I just chat me attack youths we drop asleep under the bus stop. And when them wait them can't find a cup of tea fi bus gas. See the orange farm but there's a sign mark no trespass. Hey when a man hungry him do more screw and less chat. Him start breed a piece of gold around your neck back. If him fi grab or when him grab him a go get shot. Cause him no know if you have it. Him no know if Chris trap. But food a fi eat. Hey food a fi eat. All when the clothes them no clean and the shoes them no neat. Food a fi eat. Food a fi eat. All when the place no too comfortable where you asleep. Food a fi eat. Food a fi eat. Without the health and the strength all when life can delete. Food a fi eat. Hey food a fi eat. Payday. That's why me a go and rough it out. Me a tough it out. All when pagans a chat with them dirty mouth. Me a live a mark tree life. No boy no climb me. I rather wear the one shoes ya till me to a post it out. Me a go and rough it out. Tough it out. Avoid the bad breeze cause my cangle no fit out. So man a go and fight the struggle. Keep myself out of trouble. All violence them thing them me cut it out. Yeah me cut it out. Violence me cut it out. And certain things me nah go do. I pay them, Chris David. You can rough it out. Rough it out, you know. Broke it out.